KATC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hope you were able to get outside and enjoy the sunshine we had earlier today, because it looks like we probably won't see a little bit for at least a couple of days, as clouds have already started to move in late this afternoon and will be with us for our Wednesday before showers and storms, some of which could be on the strong to possibly severe side throughout the day on Thursday. Taking a look across the big picture, we can see where our showers and storms are right now. They're still way off to our west, but the clouds have been rolling in, riding that subtropical jet during the afternoon, and now as we move into the evening, did have one or two stray sprinkles, but the stronger storms are back over central Texas, and then the main area low pressure still over New Mexico. That'll eventually move into Texas tomorrow and then bring in the rain and storms into our area by about Thursday. But you can see closer to the home, we had a few peaks of sunshine earlier today, but now the clouds have definitely begun to fill in across all of Acadiana, and the clouds will be with us for pretty much the next 48 hours or so, maybe just a few peaks of sunshine tomorrow afternoon. And you do see some greens showing up, but I don't know if that's actually making it to the ground, and if it is, it's only a little bit of a drizzle or sprinkle. So might contend with that for another hour or so here in Acadiana, but most of us should be dry for the rest of our evening. And you can see clouds stick with us. A mild and comfortable night as temperatures get down into the mid-60s. Our Wednesday looks dry with all that cloud cover, a few peaks of sunshine, but there you see those storms beginning to fire up back over Texas. That's where the severe threat will be for Wednesday. But by about Thursday, that's when it starts to head our way. By midnight, it's right around East Texas towards the Lufkin area. Then during the overnight, pushes into the very western portions of Acadiana. First thing Thursday morning, could have a few scattered showers in and around Lafayette, but you can see the main showers, Alexandria back towards Lake Charles, but you do see those purples and pinks showing up, so the possibility for a line of very strong to possibly severe storms with damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour, and even some small hail could be located in some of that. But as it moves eastward and we get a little later on in the day, this is now 1 o'clock, you begin to see some of those small individual cells. Those are the ones that possibly could start to rotate a little and could spin up a tornado or two. Also, we'll have the possibility to produce some strong hail with that up to quarter size. So we will have to watch for just about all forms of severe weather as the system makes its way through, and then farther down towards New Orleans heading into Thursday evening. And again, they have a good chance for possibly some strong to severe thunderstorms during the afternoon. But tomorrow, the main threat looks to be back over Texas. You can see basically from the Louisiana-Texas border all the way down to Mexico. They're under that slight risk for some strong to possibly severe storms, mainly looking at damaging wind, large hail, and tornadoes. Then the threat moves into Acadiana on Thursday. You can see Lafayette to the west and to the north, just a marginal risk, so a 5% chance of seeing those strong winds up to 60 miles per hour. But as we move later on into the day and we get a little bit of that heating, that's why we have a slight risk over eastern portions of Acadiana down towards New Orleans. That's where I do think there is a little better chance that we could see some stronger storms. But for the most part, a very low-end threat, at least as far as severe weather for us on Thursday. I think the real concern is going to be the heavy rains, as just like the past couple one, this looks to be an efficient rainmaker. You can see most of us picking up 1 to 3 inches, so a good soaking for all of Acadiana. But you do notice some of these darker shades showing up, so possibly areas getting 3 to 5 inches. That's what we'll have to watch for, the possibility for some flash flooding. Now, this latest model has it up to the north, but the earlier one had it down to the south, so I won't pinpoint exactly where we're going to see that, but there is that possibility for somewhere in Acadiana to possibly be dealing with some flash flooding as this system moves through on Thursday. So we'll just have to kind of keep an eye on that and watch and see where those storms begin to train a little bit. But in the meantime, a very comfortable night with cloudy skies. We'll get down to, I think, about 64 here locally, maybe some lower 60s in outlying communities. Mostly cloudy for our Wednesday, but another warm one getting into those lower 80s. I do keep a 20% chance for maybe a stray shower, but for the most part, we should be dry. But the rains ramp up on Thursday with those strong storms possible. We clear out just in time for festival, so it looks to be an absolutely fantastic weekend for that. Get out there, enjoy festival. Remember the sunblock and the hydrate, as temperatures will be into the 80s, so a little bit on the warmer side, and that's how we continue into the following week. But I think everyone is getting excited for that good weekend.
Yeah, and pressure's on for you for Thursday, but
yeah,
hey, we'll see how
I think the rain can get out of here, and so you can still maybe get out there Thursday night and enjoy the shows as well.
Very good. Thanks, Eric.